What if the thing your body needs the most has been available to you 5 times a day, for free, your entire life? What if one single physical position could slow your heart rate, drop your stress hormones, increase blood flow to your brain, and leave you feeling genuinely calm in under 5 minutes? There's a practice that does all of that. It's 1,400 years old, and billions of people do it every single day. It's called Sajda. And today, we're going to talk about exactly what it does to your nervous system, and why science is finally catching up. Welcome to Path to Islam. I'm Mohammed, and this channel is for anyone who wants to understand Islam at a real level. Not just the rules, but the reasons. Not just the what, but the why. Today we're going deep on one of the most powerful moments in Islamic prayer, Sajda, the prostration, the moment your forehead touches the ground. We're going to look at it from 2 angles, the spiritual and the scientific, because in Islam, these 2 things are never really separate. Let's get into it. Sajda is the act of prostration in Islamic prayer. It's the moment when a Muslim lowers their body to the ground, forehead, nose, both palms, both knees, and both feet, all touching the surface. In each unit of prayer, called a rak'ah, a Muslim goes into Sajda twice. And since Muslims pray 5 times a day, that means a minimum of 34 prostrations daily. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The closest a servant is to his Lord is when he is in prostration." This is in Sahih Muslim, one of the most trusted collections of hadith. So from a spiritual standpoint, Sajda is the peak moment of prayer, the most intimate moment between a person and their Creator. But physically, something incredible is happening at the same time. Let's talk about your nervous system for a moment. Specifically, the autonomic nervous system, the system that runs in the background, controlling things like your heart rate, breathing, digestion, and stress response. This system has 2 modes. One is called sympathetic, fight or flight. This is your stress mode. Heart racing, breathing shallow, muscles tight, mind on high alert. The other is parasympathetic, rest and digest. This is your calm mode. Heart steady, breathing slow, body relaxed, mind clear. Most people today are stuck in sympathetic overdrive, chronic stress, constant notifications, too much to do, never enough time. Here's where Sajda comes in. When you lower into Sajda, head below heart, body folded forward, forehead on the ground, your body gets a very specific set of signals. Your vagus nerve gets stimulated. The vagus nerve is the main highway of your parasympathetic system. Stimulate it, and your body starts to shift out of stress mode, almost automatically. Your heart rate drops. Your breathing naturally slows and deepens. Your muscles begin to release tension. And your brain, it actually receives more blood, because your head is lower than your heart. Gravity delivers more oxygen-rich blood to your brain. More oxygen means clearer thinking, better emotional regulation, a genuine sense of calm. And this happens every single time you go into Sajda. Multiple times in every prayer. 5 prayers a day. Here's something most people don't notice. When you're in Sajda, your breathing changes automatically. Your body position, compressed slightly at the abdomen, chest closer to the thighs, encourages diaphragmatic breathing. Slower, deeper, more intentional. This is the exact breathing pattern that therapists teach people to manage anxiety and panic attacks. Slow, deep breaths from the diaphragm activate the parasympathetic system and interrupt the body's stress cycle. Islam built this into prayer, not as a breathing exercise, as a posture, and it works whether you're thinking about it or not. There's a growing area of research called earthing, also known as grounding. The basic idea: physical contact with the Earth's surface has measurable effects on the body. Reduced inflammation, lower cortisol, better sleep, more regulated nervous system. The forehead, where Muslims make contact with the ground in Sajda, contains a dense network of nerve endings and is near one of the most important pressure points in the human body. This daily, repeated physical contact with the ground may have effects that we are only beginning to study scientifically. But practically, people who pray consistently often describe Sajda as a profound physical release. A moment where everything settles. Everything we've talked about so far is fascinating from a scientific angle. But I want to be clear about something. The real power of Sajda is not just physiological. When a Muslim says, Subhana Rabbil Allah in Sajda, glory be to my Lord, the Most High, they are doing something profound. They are acknowledging that they are not in control of everything. They are handing the weight of that control to the one who actually holds it. And this matters enormously for the human mind, because much of our anxiety comes from trying to control things we can't control, from the illusion that we can manage everything if we just think hard enough, work harder, plan more. Sajda breaks that pattern. It says, "Here is my forehead on the ground, and my Lord is above all things. I trust. I surrender. I breathe." That is a level of nervous system relief that no lab can fully measure. But every person who prays with presence and sincerity knows exactly what it feels like. So here's your takeaway from today. The next time you feel overwhelmed, anxious, scattered, or mentally exhausted, before you reach for your phone, before you scroll, before you try to think your way out of it, try Sajda. 5 minutes. Forehead to the ground. Breathe slowly. Say, Subhana Rabbil Allah, as many times as you need. Stay there. Your body was designed for this position. Your nervous system was designed for this kind of rest. And your soul was designed for this connection. If you're new to Islam or just starting to learn about it, I want you to know, this is what Path to Islam is here for. Real knowledge, real wisdom, explained in a way that makes sense for the world we live in today. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more content like this. Drop a comment and tell me, have you ever experienced the calm of Sajda? I'd love to hear your story. And if you know someone who needs a nervous system reset today, share this video with them. It might be exactly what they're looking for. Jazakum Allahu khairan. Until next time.